Each month, Kaulig Giving and Fox 8 will highlight people, organizations, and charities making a difference in Northeast Ohio. It's time to celebrate Cleveland's own.
Hi, I'm Matt Kaulig, and I'd like to introduce you to a healthcare organization that continues to positively impact Northeast Ohio. Let's take a look at University Hospitals. Dr. Megerian, you're in a little bit of a big transition year here at the University Hospitals, so tell us about that.
Well, Matt, I'm honored and privileged really to be following Mr. Tom Zenny, who's been really an unbelievable leader and has created a tremendous legacy here at University Hospitals. When Tom leaves in early 2021, we will continue and actually double down on our goal and our pursuit of the science of health and the art of compassion.
Share with us some other ways that University Hospitals is making a positive impact on the Northeast Ohio community.
You know, during this really unfortunate COVID situation, UH, along with its other hospital partners, I think all of us together worked well in responding and making sure Northeast Ohio was very fully prepared for even the worst possible surge of COVID patients. And fortunately, we worked together well. But out of that, we realized that as the economy was starting to open up, that many industries that are not necessarily in the healthcare area had some concerns and maybe some trepidations about how to open up their doors again to their customers and their employees. And so we, I think, were one of the first to develop what's called a UH playbook, which was and is run by Dr. Joan Zoltanski, who you'll meet, which is an incredible document and really source of information for our communities to develop the necessary skills to be prepared to safely welcome both customers and employees back into the workplace.
So Dr. Zoltanski, as Chief Experience Officer here at University Hospitals, why did you think it was necessary to have the UH Healthy Restart Playbook made?
Well, at University Hospitals during this pandemic, we have been taking care of the community patient by patient, providing medical care and medical care advice to individuals. And as the governor talked about restarting and reopening public spaces, there was a lot of outreach from the community to us to ask us about guidance in public spaces. So what we did was we stood up this content to try to give best practices to the community so that we could be safe as we re-enter the workplace.
Now, how many people were involved in putting that together?
You know, really our whole hospital system, because we've been operating during COVID. We have been thinking about all of these things about keeping our people safe, facilities safe, and operating in public spaces. But what we did was we took these trusted resources that we use and many people use, like Centers for Disease Control, Ohio Department of Health, and then we asked our subject matter expertise to really give some depth to that and also some practical examples of that businesses could use.
What will you find in the playbook?
So in the playbook, we have advice for businesses and individuals on how to support re-entering into these public spaces in a healthy way. And so we have a phrase in there that we've coined that resonates in our organization, I think also in the community, which is screen, clean, and 6 feet in between.
I love it.
But that's really the basics of what everyone needs to know. So masking, and then when you go into a workplace, how am I screening my employees before they enter? How am I cleaning in times of COVID? And what are the physical distancing measures that I'm taking to support the safety of the community?
Did you come up with that?
That's a UH phrase, and we love it. It's really the basics of what we all need to be doing.
Well, thank you for being awesome, and thank you to UH for everything that you guys do for the community. We really appreciate it. To learn more about how you can help, go to uhhospitals.org/restart. Make it a great day.